Welcome to ABC Phonics Studio. Let's learn and have fun together. Good morning. Let's splash and play. Look, a rainbow. Say hello to friends. Dance under the rainbow. Whee! Red, orange, yellow. Slide through the rainbow. Catch the letters in the sky. Welcome to Toyland!
Look at that! A circle, a square, and a triangle! This is the best tea party ever!
Whee! Red, orange, yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Come on, everyone, dance and learn your ABCs with me.
Thanks for playing. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.